Excuse me? This time, what are you doing on my logo? I'm the real Emoji Csupo. I'm the real Emoji Csupo now. Get up! Shut the up! Now let's do my logo. Excuse me? Emoji Csupo, how dare you go into my logo? That's it. You're sus. Now get out. Let's try it. Oh no, you won't! I saw what you did. Did you get into my logo? And who are you? I'm the real Emoji Csupo.
That's it, Emoji. I'm going to kill you for taking revenge.
Nope.
Excuse me?
Who said that?
First of all, who are you?
Emoji Csupo.
That's it, you're an imposter. Get out. Alright, let's do it in my logo.
Emoji Csupo.
Excuse me. Emoji Csupo, how dare you go into my logo? So get out. Alright, let's do it in my logo.
Let's try it. Emoji Csupo.
God, we have another blooper. Repeat, we have another blooper. Emoji Csupo, you're fired. Now let's do it in my logo. God, I want to finish my logo. God. Just turn off.
What the f is that happening? For a jump scare!
I swear the logo was reversed.
Don't do it again!
I pressed the reverse because I'm giggling.
Oops, it's 1991. Oh, let me check. Let's try again.